Good morning, children. Let us learn about the Geography Lesson 3 Mineral and Power Resources. In previous class, I have explained about the coal, and today let us learn about petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from Latin words petra meaning rock, oleum meaning oil. So, petroleum means rock oil. The petrol takes a more time, and in previous class only I told for you the based on the fossil fuels it takes the millions of years to form underground of the earth, and the petrol that keeps your car running as well as the oil that keeps your cycle from squeaking both began as the thick black liquid called the petroleum. So, to run all the vehicles also, we need the oil to run smoothly and to go from one place to another place also. It is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from oil field located in offshore and coastal areas. So children, the where the mineral oil is available, the mineral oil is available in between the layers of the rocks. From the layers of the rocks to they are drilling and taking out from the outside. This is then sent to refineries which process that crude oil. So when they are taking from underground, when they are taking out by drilling, so that time it is called the crude oil. You can see in the picture how it looks, the crude oil. From the crude oil to they are going to refine that, they send to the refineries to purify it, which process that crude oil and produce a variety of products like a diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastics, and lubricants. So, children, the from crude oil to by through refineries, they are going to separate the different products: the diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastics, and lubricants. Petroleum and its derivatives are called the black gold as they are very valuable. These are called the black. So we are getting the different products from the crude oil and also the petroleum. It is called the black gold also as they are very valuable. The cheap petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. So, maximum more deposits are there in the places of the Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. The other major producers, along with this, in these areas, more production is available. In other areas also, the petroleum is available. The major producers are United States of the America, Russia, Venezuela, and Algeria. The leading producers in India. In India also, the petroleum is available. Digboy in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai, and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers also. So, children, the petroleum is very important to run our vehicles. The next one is the natural gas. Do you know where the natural gas it is coming? Composed natural gas CNG is a popular eco-friendly automobile fuel as it causes less pollution than petroleum and diesel also. Comparing to the petroleum, diesel, natural gas, this CNG, compressed natural gas, it is very useful, no pollution also. So natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released crude oils is brought to be to the surface. So children, through the crude oil they are going to separate the natural gas also. How they are separating? Refined through refineries they are going to separate it. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel also. And the natural gas it is producing in the areas of Russia, Norway, United Kingdom, and the Netherlands are the major producers of natural gas. Along with the other countries, in our country also this natural gas is available. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna, Godavari Delta, Tripura, and some areas offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. So along with the other countries, in our country also natural gas is available. Very few countries in the world have sufficient natural gas reserves of their own. The sharp increase in our consumption of fossil fuels has led to their depletion at an alarming rate also. The depletion it is going to be decreased because of the growth of the population. It is going to be decrease. It is going to be uh, decrease, and also the natural gas to farm, and how it is separating through the crude oil it is separating. So we should use very carefully also. The toxic pollutants released from burning these fuels are also causes for concern. Unchecked burning of fossil fuels is like a unchecked dripping tap which will be eventually run dry. This has led to the tapping of various non-conventional sources of energy that are cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels also. So children, here the sharp increase in our consumption of fossil fuels has to lead their depletion at an alarming the rate. So the pollutants released there, when they were releasing and all that, to produce, to protect also the unchecked burning of fossil fuels is like an unchecked dripping tap which will be eventually run dry. This has led to the tapping of various non-conventional sources. When they were using, they should be used very carefully also. Source of energy that are cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels also. So children, let us continue in the tomorrow's class next topic. Thank you.